Alright, welcome to another video in my Java game development series, and the first thing I wanna do is to thank you guys for 128 subs? What? Alright, this is a lot for me, but I don't want to bore you with my thankfulness and whatever. Damn, this is awesome. We actually want to continue our game, don't we? So right now we have a little menu, and that's all fine. You can mod it on your project and whatever, you know how that works. But the actual game is still not done at all. We haven't even started with it. So before we want to start with it, it's good to have some nice preparation. And a big part of the preparation is to actually know what you want to do. So in the beginning set, we were going to make the second version of this game called Blackpoint that I introduced in the first episode here. But I think a lot of people want to make platformer games, and that's why SuperGxForce asked, is there any way you could make a platformer game? And actually there is. We can make a platformer game, but since I said we didn't, since I said we won't make one in the first episode, I cannot just change that from one day to the other. So I have to ask all of you guys now, do you want to make a platformer game, or do you want to make the original Blackpoint 2? I really don't care, actually. We can make both. We are going to use Box 2D, we are going to use shadows, we are going to use whatever you want, actually. You can add anything to it, and everything that we don't use in here but that I know about, I'll probably make special extra episodes after we're done on that topic anyway. So yeah, the question is just make a platformer game or make the original idea. I'd just like to hear your opinions on that so I can decide what we're actually going to do. I think for learning it's both the same. There's not really this big difference if it's platformer or not. So yeah, there was just a question annotations there, new YouTube beta thing. If you're not on a desktop, if you're watching on mobile or something, you couldn't click it. You can just comment in that case or whatever. Just let me know if you want to contribute to this series in some way. So that's actually everything that I had to say in this kinda episode. I don't know. Yeah, so thank you for deciding, and see you in the platformer or not platformer episodes.